Alright, let's get started on warm-up number 3. So this is Math Counts, week 3. And we're meeting tomorrow, 10/19/2016. So warm-up, first problem here, what is the average of the integers from 13 to 31 inclusive? So we're saying we include 13 and 31, and we know that taking an average is 31, right? You add the numbers and divide by the total number of items, and that's equal to 44 over 2 equals 22. Another way you can do it is to think that an average of two numbers is the midpoint between them. So if we have a number line, right, and here's 13 and here's 32, right, the average is this midpoint, and that happens to be 22, or 31 rather. There we go. 31. And so what you could, if you have other numbers, so a different way to do it is actually to say 31 minus 13, right, equals 18, right? That's this distance, 18 units. And we want to know half of that, right, the midpoint, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this is 9. So let's make this a little clearer. This is 18, right? And so we could do 31 minus 9, and that equals 22, or 13 plus 9, and that equals 22. So plus 9 minus 9. So it's important to remember that, not for this particular case, because this is pretty easy, right? But let's say the numbers were like 45, 37, and 45, 51. All right, it's much easier to see, okay, these numbers are 14 apart. Okay, divide by 2 equals 7, right? And to subtract and to realize that the average of these two numbers is 45, 44, rather than having to add them as we did here. So the answer is 22.